Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of graphics cards and artificial intelligence, or AI for short. These two technologies are changing the game literally. Graphics cards are the powerhouse behind those stunning visuals we see in modern games. AI, on the other hand, is like the brains behind the operation, making games smarter and more immersive than ever before. Without graphics cards, we'd be stuck in the pixelated past. And without AI, games would lack the intelligence and dynamism that keeps us on the edge of our seats. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of graphics cards and AI and how they're shaping the future of gaming. At the heart of every graphics card lies the GPU, or graphics processing unit. Think of it as the brain of your graphics card, dedicated to handling all those complex calculations needed to render images, videos, and of course games. The GPU is a parallel processing powerhouse, meaning it can handle many tasks simultaneously. This makes it perfect for gaming, where it needs to process tons of information about the game world, like lighting, shadows, textures, and character models, all at once. The faster the GPU, the more information it can process, leading to smoother gameplay and more detailed visuals. So how do these graphics cards actually create the images we see on our screens? It's a process called rendering. Imagine a painter with a blank canvas. The GPU is like the painter, the canvas is your screen, and the paintbrush is the rendering process. The GPU receives instructions from the game engine, telling it what to draw and where. It then uses its processing power to calculate the color and position of every single pixel on your screen, creating the final image. This process happens incredibly fast, often multiple times per second. The more powerful your graphics card, the faster it can render these images, resulting in higher frame rates and a smoother, more responsive gaming experience. No more choppy gameplay or frustrating lag. Graphics cards have come a long way since the days of blocky characters and pixelated landscapes. Remember Pac-Man? Those were simpler times. Today we have graphics cards capable of producing photorealistic visuals that blur the line between games and reality. From the early days of 2D sprites to the rise of 3D polygons and the advent of real-time ray tracing, graphics cards have constantly pushed the boundaries of what's possible. And with each new generation, games become more immersive, more realistic, and more visually stunning. It's an exciting time to be a gamer. Section 5: AI in gaming, more than just smart enemies. Now let's talk about AI, the brains behind the operation. In the simplest terms, AI in games is all about making the game world feel more alive and responsive. We're not just talking about smarter enemies that can strategize and react to your moves, although that's a big part of it. AI is also used to control non-player characters, create dynamic events, and even generate entire game worlds. It's the secret sauce that makes games feel less predictable and more like living, breathing worlds. Section 6. Procedural generation AI creates the world. One of the most fascinating applications of AI in gaming is procedural generation. Imagine a game world that's literally built by AI, with unique landscapes, dungeons and quests generated on the fly. That's the power of procedural generation. This technology allows developers to create massive, ever-changing game worlds without having to manually design every single detail. It's like having an army of digital artists and level designers working behind the scenes, powered by the magic of AI. Section 7. The future of graphics cards. More power, more immersion. So what does the future hold for graphics cards? In a word, more. More power, more features, and more immersive gaming experiences. We're talking about graphics cards that can render games in resolutions beyond our wildest dreams, with lifelike lighting and special effects that will blow you away. Imagine stepping into a virtual world that's virtually indistinguishable from reality. That's the promise of future graphics cards, and we're only just scratching the surface of what's possible. Section 8. AI's evolving role towards true game intelligence. As for AI, the future is even more exciting. We're on the cusp of a new era of game AI, where NPCs will behave with human-like intelligence, learning and adapting to your actions in real time. Imagine games where every decision you make has real consequences, where the world reacts